To set up an organisation on Lincus, you first need to add the centres that are in your organisation. To add a new centre, click Centre Administration. This will display the centres that have already been added to the organisation. Click the Add Centre tab to add a new centre to your organisation. Fill in the details about the centre, including centre name and contact details. It is also optional to add an activation code, which will allow users to join the organisation through accounts that they have created. When you have filled in the centre details, click Save. The new centre will then appear on the list. These centres can be edited at any time by changing the details and clicking Save. To add another centre, repeat the same steps by clicking on the Add New Centre tab, entering the contact details and clicking Save. Continue this process until you have added all centres in your organisation. You can add or edit centres at a later date. Next, you will need to add users to the organisation. Use the Lincus User Types guide to see the different types of users that can be added, all of which have varying permissions. To add users to the organisation, click Add New User. In this example, we will add the end users first. Enter the user's email address. If they do not have one of their own, use their username at lincus.eu. For example, johnsmith@lincus.eu. You can either select to use their email address as their username, or you can enter a username for the user. If the user does not have their own email address, we recommend creating a username for them. Enter a password for the user and confirm the password in the box below. The user must change their password when they first log in. Enter the user's details, including their forename, surname, and gender. Then select the user type and the centre that they belong to. When you have completed this information, click Save. You will then need to accept a declaration of authorization and responsibility for adding the user. Click the link to view the terms and conditions that must be agreed to. To accept the declaration, click Yes. The user will then be added. Repeat this process for all other end users in the organisation. Then repeat this process for support users. Then repeat the same process to add all other user types, including centre and regional users. User information can be edited and more users added at a later date. Once you have added all of the users to the organisation, you will then need to assign support users to end users so that they can support them on Lincus. To do this, click Support Worker Associations. A list of end users will then be displayed. Click the plus icon to assign support users to the end user. Select the support workers you want to assign and then click Add. Repeat this process until you have made all of the associations. You can remove support associations at any time by clicking the cross icon. You will then need to assign regional users to the centres that they are part of. To do this, click Regional Associations. To change the centres that the user is assigned to, click the Change button next to their name. Then select the centres that they are part of and click Done. Repeat this process until you have made all of the associations. You can change regional associations at any time. Once you have completed these steps, the users in your organisation will be able to log into their Lincus accounts and access the relevant modules.